Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you how you can locate the issue with your front or your rear vehicle's wipers or your pump for your windshield wiper fluid. Your wiper system is important for visibility, especially when you have hot and dry and dusty conditions, or you have conditions where you're driving in the winter and you have a lot of debris coming up from the road onto your windshield and your back window from salt and whatnot. So the ways that you want to check your windshield wiper components is you first of all want to verify that they're not working, and if they're not, let's check where the wiper fuses. And depending on your make and model, these are going to vary as far as their location. For mine and my Honda Odyssey are located on the driver's side, just down on the left side underneath the steering wheel column. That's where there are two fuses, one for the front windshield wipers and one for the rear windshield wipers. Now that's for the operation of the windshield wipers. When it comes to the windshield wiper fluid pump, that's one that you can check just by putting your car into the accessory or the on position, and you go to operate either the front or the rear pumps to spray the fluid onto your window. And if it doesn't work, if you don't hear the pump working, then you know it could be an issue with an electrical connection with your pump, or it could be the pump itself. If it is where you hear the pump but you don't see the fluid coming out, this may sound silly, but just check to make sure there is windshield wiper fluid in the reservoir. If there is, then it's possible you can check a couple things. What you want to check here is you want to check the pump hoses. The pump here in my Odyssey is actually down. It's hard to see. Well, you can't see it. My pumps would be down here by the windshield wiper reservoir, and it's going to be behind my bumper, which I don't have right now, but it's going to be back behind here. So you would need to remove the bumper to gain good access to it. You could also gain access through the wheel well, but it's going to be much easier to deal with it through the bumper if you had to replace the pump. But a lot of times the issue lays with these hoses. These hoses can tend to become crimped or even clogged, and these hoses just simply connect between the reservoir down here, and if you look back in here, maybe you can't see it, what they do is they go back and they connect with each of the sprayers. There's two sprayers, one on each side, and the hose will split and then connect with each sprayer. And you want to make sure that the hose is free from any debris or clogs all the way to there. Another thing that you can do, if that isn't work, is with your sprayer, you could try to see if these are clogged, and sometimes these little openings will become clogged. You can gently try to stick something in there to unclog it. You want to be careful not to damage that on both sides to see if that takes care of the issue. And if none of those solutions take care of the issue, then you may want to take it to professional, or there are ways that you can actually test the pump with a voltage test to make sure that it's operating properly. But if you replace the pump, it's still not working, then it's possible you could have a more complex electrical problem with your vehicle. Most of the time it's going to be something fairly straightforward, whether the pump is bad or the hoses are clogged or your sprayers are clogged with the system, and that's going to easily take care of the issue, and you'll be on your way with being able to spray the windshield wiper fluid on the front or the back sprayer on the rear of the vehicle. So I hope this was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.